Hey folks, so this is one of those times where you forget about the stuff that you already knew. And one of the things that I forget really easily is how valuable it is to set up multiple sessions with users. So this is where you don't just set up one interview, but you set up then a follow-up interview a couple of weeks later, or you have email engagements with them beforehand, maybe do some pre-work and then have a live session. But the advantage of having the opportunity for time to build rapport, the advantage for you to reflect more on what they've said and then follow up and connect that with things that you've learned from other people within your user group, really valuable. I was reminded recently of an engagement I had with one user, and she was a fascinating person, and we met up with her. She invited into her house. We went through some of her regular routines, and as we were guests there, she offered us, some water, and it was a perfectly pleasant period, and we learned a lot during that time. And then in the follow-up, we return and we get something that's more unique to her ethnic background. We suddenly learn about fears that she had about divulging certain pieces, things that she had held back the first time. There's so much more that you learn in that second interaction after the person decides that actually you were really trustworthy and there's an opportunity to tell a bit more. Remember another person, we had done a diary study with her, and in the follow-up interview about the diary study, we found out that she had done a couple of things because she wanted to be seen as the type of person who did that thing that was more socially acceptable, and that was not part of her routine. If we had just gone off the diary study, we never would have learned that she was trying to do some socially, some social stuff that we wouldn't have expected from her. So just a reminder how valuable it is to follow up with folks, have that second interaction, even if it's not necessarily a big deal. Like, even if you can do a follow-up email, I think try it out. You got nothing to lose and so much to gain. Have a great day.